Hand-eye coordination is the ability to use eyes and hands together smoothly and accurately.
Activity 1. Ball toss in a basket. Objective: improve aiming, focus, and hand movement. Materials: soft ball, basket, or bucket. How to do: ask the child to stand. Show the basket clearly. Start with a close shot of the child holding the ball, then show the throw in slow motion. Add cheerful music and clapping sounds when the ball goes in. Activity 2. Threading beads. Objective: improve fine motor control and finger coordination. Materials: large beads, shoelace, or thick thread. How to do: ask children to pick beads and put them one by one into the thread. Use big, colorful beads. Take close-up shots of fingers holding the bead and thread. Keep the background plain so the action is clear. Activity 3. Spoon and cotton ball. Transfer objective: improve balance, grip, and concentration. Materials: spoon, cotton balls, 2 bowls. How to do: ask the child to pick one cotton ball with a spoon and transfer it from one bowl to another. Show the child moving slowly. Add a fun voiceover like, "Careful, careful, don't drop it." Activity 4. Stacking cups. Objective: improve visual focus and hand control. Materials: plastic cups. How to do: ask children to stack cups one above another and then make a small pyramid. Use colorful cups. Show the tower growing step by step. End with the child happily clapping after completing the stack. Activity 6. Follow the line with a finger objective. Improve tracking, focus, and pre-writing skills. Materials: paper with zigzag, straight, and curved lines. How to do: ask the child to move their finger along the line from start to finish. Later, they can trace with a crayon. Use thick, bold lines. Show start and finish labels. Use a slow voiceover to guide the child. Activity 5. Sticker matching objective: improve eye tracking and accurate hand placement. Materials: stickers, paper with circles or shapes drawn. How to do: ask the child to place stickers inside the circles or matching shapes. Take overhead shots so viewers can clearly see the paper. Use bright stickers and simple shapes. Activity 7. Pom-pom sorting with tongs. Objective: improve grip strength and hand-eye control. Materials: pom-poms, child-safe tongs, bowls. How to do: ask children to pick pom-poms using tongs and sort them by color. Use bright pom-poms. Show close-ups of the tong movement. Add labels like red, blue, and yellow.
Yellow.
Activity 8. Balloon tap. Game objective: improve reaction time and whole body coordination. Materials: balloon. How to do: ask children to tap the balloon in the air and not let it fall. Record in a safe, open space. Use slow motion clips when the balloon goes up. Keep the mood playful and energetic. Activity 9. Puzzle matching objective: improve visual recognition and hand placement. Materials: simple shape or animal puzzle. How to do: ask the child to pick the correct puzzle piece and place it in the matching space. Show the puzzle before and after completion. Use a close-up of each piece being placed correctly. Activity 10. Ring toss. Objective: improve aiming and distance judgment. Materials: rings and a cone or bottle. How to do: ask the child to throw rings onto the cone or bottle. Show the child aiming first, then throwing. Add encouraging text like,
Thanks for watching!
Do like, share, and subscribe. Learning with Lalipati.